Welcome students, I am Polo Dikari and welcome you back in our e-learning class. Students of class 9, today I will solve sum of exercise 2.5 of chapter polynomial from the sum number 772. Okay. Question number 7 and part 2. 7 and part 2, it is given that 102 find its value. 102 find its value using identity. So students, we know that 102 means 102 can be written as, okay, 102 will be, and okay, so 100 plus 2 whole cube using a cube plus b cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, 3b into a plus b. Using that formula we will solve that question. Okay, so that is 100 cube plus 2 cube plus 3ab into 100 plus 2. Okay, 100 cube 2 zeros, so there will be 6 zeros. Okay, now 8 600 into 100 plus 2. Student, don't add this 100 and 2, that will be difficult for calculation. Okay, just keep in that form 100 plus 2. Okay, so $60,000 plus 1200. Adding this two, we get 1061208. Adding this 4, we get 1061208. 1061208. Okay, that is the answer. That is the value of 100 by using identities a cube, a plus b whole cube. So question number 8, that is factorization 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Student, 8a cube can be written as 12b plus b cube. Now from the two numbers you can take common 6ab into 2a plus b. From these two numbers you can take common 6ab. Now 2a cube plus b cube, and that 6ab can be written as 3226 into ab. So now try to match with the formula a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Here a means 2a and b means b. So that is the formula of 2a plus b whole cube, and that can be written as 2a plus b, 2a plus b and 2a plus b. Okay, that is the factorization form of that expression. Now coming to the question number 2. The same question is given in minus. Okay, try to solve it at your home. Now question number 3. That is question number 181. Question number 3. (27 minus 125 a cube minus 135 a plus 225 a square. 225 a square. So students, 37 means 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 20. Now that is 5 a cube. From these two parts you can take common, that is 3ab. 35 9 3s are 5, that is 3ab, that is 3 that portion 3 minus 5a, and you can take 3 means 135 divided by 3, 12, 1 5, 45. 45a. From these two numbers, you can take common 45a. If you take common minus 45, that plus sign will be changed into minus. Now 3 cube minus 5a whole cube minus 45a, that you will write 3 into 5a. 3 3 is a 9, 9 5 is a 45. Now 3 minus 5a. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. That is 3 minus 5a whole cube, that can be written as 3 minus 5a, 3 minus 5a and 3 minus 5a. Okay, that is question number 8 of part 3. Now moving on question number 4 of question number 8. Moving on part 4 of question number 8. 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144 a square b plus 108 ab square. Okay, 4a whole cube minus 3b whole cube. From these two numbers, you can take common 36ab, that is 4a minus 3b. So 4a whole cube minus 3b whole cube minus 3 into 4a into 3b by 4a minus 3b, 4a minus 3b. So a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, that is the factorization form. It means 4a minus 3b. Okay, now last part of this question number 8, that is question number 5. Twenty-seven means 3 cube, p and p cube is given, that is 3p whole cube minus 1 by 6 whole cube, 6 into 6, 36, 36 into 6, that is minus. From that point you can take common, that is p by 2, that can be written as p by 2, that can be written as 3p by 2. Okay students, so 3p minus, now p by, it is given p by 4, change into in this way, that is 3p by 12. p by 4, we multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, that is 3p by 12. Okay, now taking terms from these two parts, that is 3p by 2. If I take 3p by 2 from that is 3p and minus 1 by 6. 1 by 6. So 3p whole cube minus 1 by 6 whole cube minus 3 into ab. So 3 should be 3p into 1 by 6. Okay, 3a and this portion is b. So 3p minus 1 by 6. So that is 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. That is 3p minus 1 by 6, 3p minus 1 by 6, 3p minus 1 by 6. Okay, that is the formula. Just concentrate on this portion. P by 4, that is given p by 4. I have changed it to 3 by 12. 3 by 12, 3p by 12 and p by 4 are the same terms. And here, this 3p by 2 change into 3 into by I change it into 3p because I have a as 3p. And to manage it, I multiply 1 by 6, and that is also in form of b. Okay. So students, in this video we will solve up to question number 8. In the next video, we will start solving question number 9. Thank you.